Yes.
I'm Jeff Mack, a commercial real estate broker with Newmark Grubb Knight Frank, and I'm pleased to welcome Steve Wray to Citybizlist. Steve is the CEO of a company called CloudMine. Welcome, Steve.
I think across the board, when you look at kind of the subsets of customers that we're in dialogue with now and supporting, thankfully, you have to commend them for what's happened in terms of the migration of this issue of connected health upward and outward in their organizations. Healthcare systems locally here, like Thomas Jefferson University, are really pioneers who have created centers of excellence that are intended to improve patient engagement through technologies. They recognized early on that meant that those technologies needed to be connected. And fortunately, they've been a fantastic initial partner with us who have scaled. Others are starting to see similar applications, if you will, for a connected health cloud across their organizations. And it's helping them to rethink their business model. When you go from a disconnected state, Jeff, to a connected state, it's amazing what you suddenly see as possible that previously were seen as a series of barriers. I think it's going to speed innovation curves. It's going to allow these customers to serve their constituents more effectively. And as I think the metrics will likely bear out, reduce costs and improve outcomes. That's what's driving us to be omnipresent in these customer organizations every day. The competition is formidable. Yet I think one kind of level setting point here that I would put forth that few people have challenged is that no one's actually completed this task. If we talk about the transformation of digital health and we talk about the migration to the cloud, I would thus far give the industry and all of those players an incomplete. The job has to be finished. I believe that we provide a unique, agile, pre-engineered, and secure solution that will allow customers to move faster, to develop something that's more customized to their individual organization's needs, and frankly, to move towards what is not just an enterprise health cloud, but a multi-enterprise health cloud by being more malleable when organizations want to collaborate across fences. Because I'm not going to put my data in the other organization's stack and vice versa. To use, the coin of a phrase here, they need Switzerland. And these collaborations are becoming more prevalent every day. I am not saying by any means that any of those large global organizations that you mentioned are incapable of that. I believe we can move faster and more efficiently than their business model would allow. Oftentimes you can look so far out on the horizon and say, hey, we're going to be this. I think we have to travel through a series of gates that will tell us that we've achieved the milestones that are meaningful and impactful to our customers. For the next 6 months, it's ensuring that we have a platform that scales in front of the needs of our customers, right? Moving as the market has moved after the Forrester wave kind of put the first definitions around an enterprise health cloud earlier this year, we need to make sure that we are prepared to scale to at the speed and at the breadth and depth of our customers' needs. That's first, okay? Proving that, it's then duplicating it in two critical areas of the marketplace, in connected clinical trials and in integrated disease management, which we spoke to earlier in this interview. Why? Because the connected clinical trials of today and the near term will actually be the proxy for what integrated disease management looks like in the future. Biometrics, genomic therapy, the first gene therapy that was approved by the FDA was born a couple of miles from here, right? That's what the future of medicine will look like. It's what clinical trials are beginning to look like now. If our connected health cloud can empower more data, more wearables, more personalized or precision healthcare in clinical trials, that enables the delivery of care to change in the very near future, also powered by a connected health cloud. That's my vision.